Good morning, everybody. I need to make my bed. That helps me every day to feel accomplished when I make my bed. And I usually don't eat breakfast. I know some people do. I usually fast all the way till noon. It helps my digestive system. I found that very beneficial, and I really enjoy doing that. I'll eat at 12, probably finish eating about 8 o'clock, and I start my day again. So that's been helping me a lot. And I usually just find whatever in the refrigerator to make like simple tacos, because I try to do my best not to go out to eat. I mean, we do every once in a while, but that's on a special occasion, or my husband and I go on a small date. These quick dates, love it. But that's what we do. But I usually make food at home. So this is me making some simple chorizo miga tacos. So they're so delicious and so filling. So to save money, ladies and gentlemen, make your own food. I know some people say, but if you go out to eat, it's cheaper. Nowadays, it's really not. Yeah, I could see probably maybe 5 years ago, or a little longer than that, but not anymore. Yes, you probably can save a little money, but the quality of it and the quantity of it, to me, it is better just to cook at home. And and I have some leftovers. So sometimes whatever I'm spending to go to a fast food restaurant, I could probably get 2 or 3 meals with that same amount of money that I am spending. So that is just me. That's what I found, and I am working on paying off my home. So I am so excited. So I am doing my best to be as frugal as possible, because that is my goal, to pay my home as fast as I can. Or, my husband and I are trying to do our best to do that as fast as we can. And very, very, very excited about that. So, hey, I like home cooked food. I really do. My husband does too. He likes the simple, the better. So this is what we do. Delicious. Now, I know we get really full and we want to take a nap after a good meal, but no, I have to clean my kitchen right after I cook. It just makes it so much easier for me. That way I don't have to get lazy. So that's what I do. Another thing I've been doing to save money is to make my own cleaning products. And some people want to do more natural products as possible, because I cannot stand really heavy fumes. It makes me sick. So I've been making my own cleaning products. I've been doing a half of water, 1 part water, 1 part vinegar, and I'll add a few squirts of Dawn soap. And it's been working good for me. I use it for everything: the toilets, the shower, the bathtub. I do have a puppy, so when she has accidents, I use the same solution. So I use it for everything. It is an all-purpose cleaning product. Now, I will say you have to use elbow grease. Yes, you have to scrub. Guys, you're not going to spray it and then come back and it's going to be super clean. No, you have to scrub it. Now I have to go shopping. And one thing that I will tell you, do not go shopping on an empty stomach. You will start buying things that you really don't need. So I usually do my meal planning before I go to the store. I will get the things that I'm going to cook that day. So I won't have a bunch of food in the refrigerator that it's going to go to waste. So I am going to make green chicken enchiladas. So I bought the products just for that meal. I know some people will go, for the week or for the month, and that's fine, because, I know where I live, we have a lot of ranches, and some people go and buy things for the whole month. I'm pretty close to the store. I live about 10 minutes from the store, so I'll just go buy things for a meal again, so I don't waste food. This is a pretty simple meal. Anybody can do this. I just get chalupa shells. I put them on the bottom. Then I add some chicken, cooked chicken. Then I add my cheese, then the green chili sauce. And it's very mild because I am not a spicy person. I am so sorry. And then I just put them in layers, put it in the oven, 350 for about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Delicious. Another thing that I do to save money is I use what's around me. I don't go to the gym. I think the last time I had a gym membership was like 15 years ago, and we paid like $50 for like all of us, like all four of us. Well, times have changed, and that is not the case anymore. And plus, I've noticed that I really didn't go to the gym as much as I should. So I just go to our local park or go outside on our land, and I'll just, walk or run or whatever. But we had the opportunity to meet some friends, and we just spend the day at the park, and it was free. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. You help me out so much. Bye.